Good morning, and I'm at my new farm, and I'm feeling very sorrowed about my dad and mom's death, and so it happened unexpectedly, and so I'm in the Amaravati Dam. So I'm along with my goats here. So the dam is full with water, and we have our apple snails, the pork cultivation here. So um, beside, you see tall grasses, and so its name is prairie or steppes. I don't know. I really forgot. Since we had a geography only for a year, and although we had it continuously from fifth standards and as social sciences, only 1 year was given for land description, and um, I'm very thankful for everyone coming to my home and helping me out. Even though I'm still having a lot of work, and I especially thank my colleagues, my friends, who were helpful at my house, who are helping cleaning my house, and uh, my friends from the shop who did my MBBS degree with me. So I was very much astonished. So, an MBBS student, an MD student comes and cleans my house and works in my shop and helps for the household chores, buys me vegetables. Just waters my gardens and all. So you should not do that. But for time being, I can't help with it. You should not do that work. We have other people doing the work. If you want any practice or help or some marks out of it, you can do it, but not too much. You can do up to a certain level. You should not work too much, because if you work, your all your mind details and your learnings gets equalized with it, so you can not think anymore. So be careful with it. Even I am very much being careful with it, but still I need to hire a cooking woman and cleaning women or men, so that I keep myself safe. And uh, so and I'm waiting here. I need to cut down the trees down uh, from the Amaravati Dam. So then I need to go to the other lane. I also need to cut down the trees with the help of people. So I have come here to give instructions to my one of my professors, so that to say it as a professor or my relative, my brother, and I'm still waiting. He has not come by, and my grandma is looking from behind. So as you know, and uh, okay, it's very cool, and we have some coconut trees also, and unfortunately the red coconut trees have come down, have died. The palm trees also, and So I would like to speak on the death of my father and mother. I'll speak at my home, and I'm quite depressed. So without them, I can't do anything. But let's hope what's to be done next. Because for the past 10 years, I was in the college, 15 kilometers apart from this land and my house. But what goes around comes around. Even if this land comes around in a backside lane, it's okay. You would have this trees and all, so especially this tree. So this is one of my grandfather's farm, so yet to be adopted by me. So this tree, I was in Daman and Diu, and also about some land like Thailand. So again, this tree comes on the road and this is my very lovely friendly tree, always on the road. And so this tree, if you see here, you can see only some 30 kilometers away. So it is, to say exact location, it is nearby the Karumalai Andavar temple. And this is one of the specialities with my farm. And so again, on the left side, so you see the coconut trees. So that is just a glimpse, so that is just a mirror. So that is a Tirumani river flowing through. It is reflecting the other side of the trees and the farm of my younger grandfather. So this is the 100 acres coconut tree farm. Yes, from where I was talking, from the Vinayaga Mission's 1008 temple. And so this is easily accessible rather than from the mountain there. So this is my younger grandfather's farm, King Phillips. And he has also been like very supportive and helpful, and he has given me all supports. And he was the one who bought me this land, my farm, for me. And so I am very thankful to him. And he always considers about my wellness and good. So thank you for everything, and thank you. Let me continue my work and just talk to you in a few more days. Thank you.